So how does the idea of having a weedless garden sound? Well, according to Dr. Lee Rice, it's possible, and he wrote the book on it. And it really comes down to just 4 key steps. In this video, I'll walk you through those all-important steps so you can be well on your way to having your own weedless garden too. So what are those 4 important steps to having a weedless garden? Well, here they are as I learned in my visit to Lee's own weedless garden. Number 1, no tilling of the soil, ever. It sounds crazy, but Lee maintains that it just destroys the soil's natural structure and kicks dormant weed seeds up to the surface, where they'll now get sun and air and water and turn into weeds. Pick out weeds by hand when you see them, but put that tiller in your next garage sale. Number 2, make strict designations between planting beds and walking areas. Don't walk in the planting beds and you'll never compact the soil you want to plant in with foot traffic. Number 3, cover your planting beds with compost. Organic matter feeds the soil, which feeds the plants, and a top dress layer of it keeps those nutrients right at the level where most roots are anyway. And number 4, use drip irrigation in your beds. It conserves water by putting it directly into the soil at the base of your plants, instead of spraying it around the entire landscape, where it will just feed weed seeds that are deposited by wind or birds.